If you've landed on this video, most likely you're wondering, what's all the fuss about these different color circles and what are chakras? Well, one thing I can tell you, they are not. They are not any association with any type of religion. Chakras have nothing to do with religion. Chakras are, however, 7 main energy sources in your body, each divided and represented by a different color. The word chakra itself is defined as wheel or discs. That explains why you always see these represented, usually and most commonly by certain circles, and they each have a special placement in the body. The energy we've been given also is our connection to nature. It's so important that we step out of our everyday hustle and bustle and take a deep breath and start to notice the world and beauty around us. In this next video series, we're going to split each chakra for each video, and we're going to talk about ideas of how you can make jewelry and which stones should you use for each chakra to help with anxiety, to help with healing and overall balance in our lives on a daily basis. Different stones also have different healing property as they are part of our earth and connect with us with that energy. And I sure hope that this cleared up some misconceptions for you. And so with that thought, I will catch you guys on the next video.